So guys, I am making a new project and teach you guys how to make sidebars. So let's get started. So to click on three dots, then library, then the first one and turn it on. Click on three dots, again power and both. Click on XML, then custom view and then drawer. Drag and drop the linear edge and follow the steps. You guys have to drag and drop image view and follow the steps. Three dot images, then download icon and select your icon. Main XML, then view. You can put the name by yourself, it's your choice. I have named it 1 2 queues. The main activity is the first tab and the second one is our 1 and 2 is our third one. So I think you guys have understand. Component, then intent, and you guys can put your favorite name or anything you want, but remember it, okay? It depends on how many tabs are in your app or how much tab you want. So I need 3, so I am making 3 intents. It depends on you if you want to put the names. So I am gonna speed it up. I am putting queues. I do not care, but I want to remember them, and there is a most part and you guys should remember it. So yeah, that is why I have did it. I do not know if you guys are gonna do it, but it's my choice, so yeah, I am gonna do it. So yeah guys, I was saying is if it shows on click, then you guys have to select it, because there are 2 in a small font. There is written long click and on click. So you guys have to select on click, it's the right one, and follow the steps. I have tried to do it really easy so you guys can understand them.